Got Mr. Gnome chilling on the back.
Hi, I'm Sarah,
Hey there, I'm Brian.
and this is Exploring with Sarah and Brian.
Come join us on our adventures.
Lots of food
And hiking and coasters.
and so much more. You gotta watch.
Enjoy the ride. Next up, gonna spend some time at Fish Head's Bar and Grill. And they have a heck of a beer selection up in here.
That's why I chose it.
And I got the Wicked Weed Brownie. And Sarah got...
The strawberry margarita.
There you go. How was it?
Fruity.
Nice.
Like I like it.
Ooh.
Got the grilled tuna box.
Looks nice. Oh my goodness. What'd you think about those tuna? That tuna?
I very much enjoyed it. It was delicious. What did you think?
It was amazing. I mean, we've had some amazing tuna before, but that's up there.
It was really good.
That is absolutely up there in tuna quality. So good. We are checking out Red Drum tonight, Grill and Tap House in Nags Head, North Carolina. And to drink, they had a Kentucky pumpkin barrel, and about to try it out. Oh yeah, that's just like a pumpkin snack. That's real good, y'all. And then Sarah has a boiled rock, but you know all about that, right?
Of course.
And so Sarah got the tuna burrito.
Yep. Look at all that tuna in there.
And I got the tuna sandwich with pesto and what cheese was it? Some type of cheese on it. And red peppers as well. Emptied out plate right there. Pretty good too.
It was too big to finish.
Yeah, she was getting a little too full, but she loved it too. How about your burrito?
It was so good and so filling. I have a quarter of it in the back. But yeah, it was only $12 for a tuna burrito.
Yeah, that's good price for the
Yes.
amount of tuna that you guys saw
Yeah,
in
it
there.
was a full steak in there. Plus refried beans and tomatoes, cheese, and something else.
All
But-
kinds of goodness in there.
But yeah, it was so delicious. How was your tuna sandwich?
It was awesome. I love the combination of the pesto and the red pepper and that cheese that was on there. Forgot what type of cheese it is, but it's really good though, and it was delicious. And mine was only $15, so well worth it. Good dinner right there.
Yeah, and this place was not packed at all. I know it's off season, but on the way here on the main strip, almost all of the bigger restaurants were packed.
Yeah.
This one, amazing customer service, and the food was delicious. More people should be here.
And very friendly staff here. Very, yeah. So really good spot. It is Red Drum Grill and Tap House. Check it out. About to grab some lunch from Goombas. It's going inside. And so Sarah is getting some blackened halibut tacos. Look at all that in there. And then I am getting their fish plate. Oh yes. So Sarah got their Beetlejuice cocktail.
It has coconut, and I think there's rum in there, but you can't taste the rum, by the way. But it's delicious.
Looks like it, doesn't it? And then I got Blake's El Chavo mango and habanero. And it's real sweet on the front end, has a spicy kick on the back end. It's really good too. Got Sarah's halibut here. and the taco shells
All
themselves.
the fixins.
And then I got the rockfish here, looking and smelling great. Man, it's been an awesome week here in the Outer Banks. Beautiful week, man, beautiful.
Yeah, and I've loved having the bonfire every night. It reminded us of Long Beach, Washington, where we did it like almost every night, even when we couldn't even get the fire to start.
Yeah, we still tried to make it happen that night.
Oh yeah, we did.
But it's just been so relaxing, we do a lot of epic stuff, crazy hikes and stuff like that, but obviously with the sunset getting earlier and earlier,
we can't do that much.
exactly, we can't do those awesome hikes, but we're making up for it by just being out here in nature, enjoying the sounds of all the crickets and frogs and all that, and the fire itself that's right down there.
Oh yeah.
So
I made a big flame.
But it's been an amazing journey, y'all, and tomorrow we're gonna head back to home a little bit, and we're gonna give y'all an update. We have some things we got to take care of when we get there, the next couple weeks. So, and
we're still
then
gonna do epic shit though.
Exactly, we're gonna do some cool stuff back there, but also we're not going to be there for too long. We're going to hit the road again after Thanksgiving. And
where are we going to go?
Well, I don't know where we're going to go. I think we're going to head up to another home.
Another home, yeah. Yeah, we got to see some peeps and stop by some of our favorite places. And
yes.
Yeah.
So we'll bring y'all along, let y'all know. Be sure, hit that thumbs up.
And hit subscribe.
And leave us a comment on what you think about our adventures and the crazy stuff we've been doing.
Where is our home?
And where is our home?
Where is it?
We don't know. And we're okay with that.
Yep.
But I'm going to turn you back around in this video with this calm fire.